she'll be turning in her grave.
What's up? Damn right I got knives here. You're damn right I got knives. Episode 53. 5-3.
You'll see this.
Hellcat. Matrix 2. Flipping Styx. The Proponent. The one. The one.
It's the one. Hell yeah.
place filming an episode.
Let's talk about the Hellcat. This is one of the best sounding knives. Really well built, really strong. I love all the milling that it has, everything that's going on with it. It looks beautiful, and I have to like really take it easy when I'm flipping it because this thing is super sharp, super pointy. I really love this knife a lot. I love the build of it. I love the balance and the weight. The only thing is just it's a scary knife to flip. Made by Lyons. Really cool knife. OSP flipping sticks. I don't know. Without the blade in there, I just don't know. It's like super confusing to me to flip. I don't know. It's a cool idea and fun, and I'm glad they're only $100. And I don't know. It's just kind of weird. It's not really a Balisong, you know. It's like I mean, it would make a great self-defense weapon and whack people with it. It's a nutcracker whacker. I really love the Matrix 2. The Matrix 2 with this blade particularly. I had a Matrix 1 and I didn't really care for it much. There were certain things about it I didn't like.
Yeah.
But the Matrix 2 is honestly one of my favorite knives for flipping. You can put weights in the handles. It's Chandwich construction. I love the look of this blade. I love this knife. But I'm not big on the flipping stick. Sorry, dude.
Cheers.
Yeah, there's speed channels on the Hellcat. This is, I think, 4.5 ounces. I think this is like 4.7.
I bought this on /2 Gash. It's a trainer. It's made by the company that makes a lot of clones. And I don't care. I love it. It's great. Spins nicely. It's got aluminum handles.
It's definitely not a clone of the Alien by Stitch Steel.
No.
It's, I think, its own thing. The one, unless I'm wrong, I think it's not a clone of anything.
No, and it has really good tolerances. I don't foresee having to do anything to it.
Yeah, it's nice. It was a little slippery, although these have grit. But it's a
for my kind of flipping, it doesn't really matter.
I think the price is really great. $70, right? That's a good price.
Like yeah, it's on the low end. You know.
This thing is a freaking beast, dude. You just got this?
Yeah. The Proponent.
Yeah, their symbol always looks like a deformed Nazi sign. G10.
It's 9 ounces.
Yeah, that's crazy. It's almost like the size of a pizza cutter. I mean, this thing is massive. I mean, look at it compared to a Balisong. Warncliffe blade with a crazy jimping and these big-ass thumb studs that look like they're like T15 or something. OSP, man. Jay, what a nice guy. He went all out making this thing for me. Really communicated well with me, made this knife, put it all together with all the details that I wanted, exactly how I wanted, the exact blade. The thing I kind of feel about OSP knives is you really got to know what it is you want, because there's a lot of options with his knives, a lot of blade types. You can get the Matrix 2 handles, the Matrix 1 handles. You can do different kinds of weights. You can do different spacers. Speaking of the pivot screws, they are a weird pivot where it's the fork that he sends you the driver. The bushings are floating on washers. And you can do different things with the setup of your knife. And I freaking love this knife. I really do. I'm a big fan.
Well, what we got here is a beer. It's called Burning Beer. The particular batch is called Song of Orpheus, and it's a sour beer.
All right, so we're on episode 53. Oh, so romantic. It's to episode 53 and all the episodes we've done before, to all the episodes that came before, and to the ones that come.
Shut up!
Burning Beard Brewery. Thank you, Seth, so much. Yeah, the Matrix, man. What do you think?
I love it. Bring me into the Matrix.
I've gotten some of my better flips and clips with this thing. I like the Matrix too.
Matrix.
And the Hellcat. It's kind of vicious.
Look at that. Look at it. Look at that. Look at that.
The flippy dicks. I don't know. It's cool. They're just not for me. Yeah, sorry. Love my Matrix too. Crack your nut. Crack your nut. The one. The alien.
3.9 ounces.
Price good. Alright, you guys. Thanks for watching. This is Damn Right I Got Knives. Signing out. Episode number 53. Adios, amigos.
Shoot it, stuff it, hang it on the wall.
Bag it and tag it.
She'll be turning in her grave. Take it to the bank.